At STARWAY Manufacturing, advanced CNC true cutting systems deliver stable accuracy and efficient production performance through automated positioning and programmable control. Each tube is processed with consistent dimensional precision. High-speed cutting operations improve efficiency while maintaining clean cutting quality across every production batch, from stainless steel tubes to custom structural components. Our workflow supports reliable, low EM manufacturing requirements. Every process is designed to improve repeatability, reduce variation, and support scalable production. Precision build, process control,